Hey guys, welcome to Social Nerd. In today's video, I'll show you how you can download and sign up for your YouTube Kids app on your mobile device. To download YouTube Kids on your mobile device, you can find it on the Play Store. So go to the Play Store application on your mobile device, then tap on it. Go to the search bar and search for YouTube Kids. Once you find the results, go to the install button and tap on it in order to install it on your mobile device. Now wait for the downloads to complete. YouTube Kids is a kid-targeted version of YouTube that features curated ad-supported TV shows, music, educational videos, and user-created contents. It allows you to create individual user profile for each of your kids so they can each log in and watch videos geared towards their age. One of the best features of YouTube Kids is the timing, which lets you set a limit for your kids to play on the app. So, as many kids love watching videos on YouTube, it seems like a slam dunk for Google to create a special app specially for the online video services streaming plans. And while it offers a colorful, easy-to-navigate environment, a wide range of high-quality videos, parental controls, and fun features for kids, it still does by consent, outrageous advertising, branded content, and inappropriate clips slipping through the curation process. So, after knowing all these information, if you want to create an account on YouTube Kids, watch this video very carefully and follow these simple steps. First, go to the YouTube Kids application on your mobile device, then tap on it to open. Now, Kids profiles are only accessible within the YouTube Kids application and only when a parent is signed in. And you can add up to 8 profiles per account. So, go and tap on I am a parent. On the welcome page, go to next icon and tap on it. Now on this page you are asked to enter your birth date, so go to the keypads here and enter your birth date. Now once you have entered your birth date, a pop-up notification shows up on your screen, so go and tap on confirm in order to confirm your age. Now you will have successfully created a parent's account on your YouTube Kids application, and now you can sign in and create a profile for your kids. Now go to next icon and tap on it. Now in order to sign in as a parent and create an account for your kid, go and tap on the sign in button. Here, if your account doesn't have recorded consent, you'll see a parental consent form. Now read it and scroll to the bottom. Now you need to enter your password in order to confirm your identity. Once you have entered the password, go and tap on confirm. Now you can create a profile for your kids by filling up the information like your kid's first name, age, and the birth name. Now once you have filled in the information, go to next icon and tap on it. Here you need to select the content experience for your child. This is important choice impacts the video available to your child in the app. So you can choose from the 4 content settings. If your child is under 5, then you can just go and tap on the preschool. If your child is between the age of 5 to 8, then you can tap on the gender tab. And last but not the least, if your child is 9 years old or older than 12 years old, then you can go and tap on older. Now this will allow your kids to search and explore extra music videos, gaming, science, and more. Now go and tap on select. Once you do that, your kids profile has been successfully created. You can add multiple accounts for your multiple kids by just tapping onto this plus icon or add icon. Now you will take a parent feature tour of the YouTube Kids application. The tour highlights where to find parental control settings and how to report videos. Once you are done, go and tap on done. Now the app is ready for your kids to use. So that was it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay up to date for more videos like this. Bye bye.